In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade BNB meme coins. Now, first you must find a place to actually trade them, and for me, I'm using Axiom Pro. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment if you want to sign up, and if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out, link down below, you will not regret it. Here, to actually trade BNB meme coins, they've just added this with their recent update, so they've been huge on the Solana meme coin game here, as you can see. They've been on for a very long time. And then here you can just go ahead and switch to BNB now, which they have just added with their most recent update. And to actually trade BNB meme coins, first you will have to deposit on. So here you can just, of course, deposit using any of your other wallets where you may hold some BNB. You can also go ahead and buy it right away here, or you can convert it in case you're holding some Solana or Hyperliquid, and you can just convert that to BNB as well, okay? So after that, you will be holding some BNB, and then you are ready to actually go ahead and start trading it. Now, the way you can do this is you can go to Discover here, where you can see the trending meme coins, or you could also go to Pulse, where you can see and filter out different new pair coins, final stretch coins, migrated coins, etc. And then when you actually find a coin you want to purchase, so let's say you did your research and you actually found something you want to do. For example, let's say I'm going to show in this coin over here. I'm not saying buy this, I'm just showing you as an example. And here on the right hand side, you have the buy and sell button. So just click on the buy button, select how much you want to buy. And after you do that, of course, put in the amount and then click on the buy button. And whenever you are then ready to sell, you can just sell by clicking the sell button. And then you've successfully basically done a trade and you've traded the BNB meme coins. Okay, so that's how easy it is. If you need more tutorials on Axiom, I have a lot of them on my channel. So make sure you check those out as well. And I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.